Aloha, welcome to Maui. We're at Kamaole Beach Park III in Kihei on the south side of the island. There's 3 different Kamaole parks, and this is the southernmost one along this coast. As you may notice, this is early morning and not many beachgoers are out yet. Give it a few hours and this and all the other beaches on the island will have visitors and locals enjoying themselves. But it's mostly visitors you'll see on the beaches. All this lava rock along this shore is all that remains from the continual erosion of the volcanic lava that made up this island eons ago. This erosion of the rock is what's creating the sand we're walking on. And if you're walking along the beach with this lava, use care. It's sharp like a knife and it can easily cut you. Lava is mostly iron, the stuff they make steel out of, like knives. The shoreline lava rock in the ocean is where fish hide out, so that's where it's good snorkeling. This south end here is where there's the most lava and where you'll find the snorkelers and scuba divers at this beach.